Stop wasting your time and hard-earned money on those cheap, ineffective guide kits and instead transform your Euro bandsaw and upgrade your production with Sawblade.com's quality aftermarket guide kit. I'm product specialist Celeste here with the Euro 5 guide kit. This is an economical, easy-to-install solution that will help you improve your performance, increase your blade longevity, lengthen machine life, and produce faster, straighter cuts. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid high-grade aluminum and utilizes performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with 2 front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction blade walk under feeding force. All 3 bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy and a variety of band widths. This particular guide kit is designed for 16-inch to 20-inch machines with Euro-style guides. It's adjustable for blades ranging from 3/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch and comes complete with the proper mounting hardware, lower and upper machined guide blocks, and precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Euro aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing that you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching. And for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.